In this tutorial, we cover adding, sizing and aligning your pictures. There are 3 ways to add a picture to your project. Select your picture from the picture pane by clicking and holding your left mouse button. Then dragging the picture onto the page. To resize your picture proportionally, hold the Shift button on your keyboard and select and drag a blue point outwards or inwards. The alternate way to resize your image proportionally is to click on the Dimensions tab, then activate the Constrain Proportions function by clicking in the box. With this method, you can simply drag outwards or inwards without having to hold down the Shift button. When you drag a corner point outwards or inwards, it will always expand or shrink in the drag direction, as well as to the left and right of the drag direction. When you drag a central point outwards or inwards, it will always expand or shrink in the drag direction, as well as on the sides perpendicular to the drag direction. Select your blue point based on the position of the picture on the page. To align your picture in the center of the page, left-click and hold your mouse button, then drag your picture towards a central position on the page, until you see the vertical and horizontal pink guidelines. When your picture snaps into place on the vertical and horizontal axis, it is centered. The alternative method is to right-click on your image, hover your mouse over a line. Then select Align Vertical Page Center. To align horizontally, repeat the same steps, but select Align Horizontal Page Center. For this method, you can simply go through the various page styles. Select the page style of your choice, then left-click and hold the mouse button, then drag the page style onto the page. Once you've completed this step, drag your picture into the picture box. A picture box's edges will turn blue, to indicate that you're about to place your image inside of it. You will often find that, when using this method, the picture isn't displayed in its entirety. To see how much of an image is visible in the picture box, double-click on your picture. The grayed out areas on the right and left of the image are the parts of the picture that are not visible in the picture box. The easiest way to make your entire image visible inside the picture box is to right-click on the image. Hover your mouse over Fit, then select Fit Box to Picture. If you also want your image aligned in the center of the page, select Fit Box to Picture and Center. You can double-check to see that all of your image is displayed by double-clicking on the image, and checking if no area of the image is grayed out. Add a picture box to your page by clicking on Add Picture Box. Select the image that you want to use by left-clicking and holding the mouse button, then dragging the image into the picture box. As you can see, the picture, once placed in the picture box, isn't displayed in its entirety. Like in the previous method, to display the entire picture, right-click on the image. Hover your mouse over Fit. Then select Fit Box to Picture. If you want the image aligned, select Fit Box to Picture and Center.